Hello, so I would like to show you how to make a bridge if you would like to make a bridge for your marble run. So what you want is a 1/4 sheet of paper, and you're going to fold it in half and cut out 2 hills. So you could draw it with your pencil first. I'm going to skip that and just cut a hill freehand like that. So there's my hill. This is scrap that can be recycled. And then I want to make an opening at the bottom so that I can have my marble go under the bridge as well. So I'm going to cut another arch or hill out of the bottom. And you want a wide strip, a 2-inch strip like we used for a ramp. You don't want the skinny wall strips. So this is going to be the sides of our bridge, and then the marble's going to go up and over. So we need tabs on our bridge. So just like with the ramp, we're going to take that top bridge and we're going to fold it over and fold it up and make a tab. And we want them kind of even. Okay, then you're going to take both pieces, you're going to flip them over together, and then you're going to fold the tab up on the other side, the same height, the same width as the last one. So you don't want to fold it up higher than this first one. You want to make sure that you line it up and that they match. So now you have some tabs. So now for your channel for your bridge to go over, you're going to do it the exact same way we did for the ramp. You're going to take this thick strip and you're going to fold over the sides, remembering to crease firmly. Oops, that's not much of a wall, so I'm going to refold that there. Crease firmly. All right, and then you're going to cut. We want this to be able to bend, and this won't bend, so we are going to cut slits all the way across the wall, just like the walls for our marble run, only we're going to do it on both sides. So I'm going to cut the wall, short little snippets. The further apart you put these snips, the less likely your paper is going to bend. So you want to put the slits closer together than you might want to. So this is going to take you a little bit of time. You got to cut all the way down one side, and then you're going to flip it over and cut the slits all the way down the other side. So I'm going to take a minute to do this, and then I'll show you after I get all my slits cut. See how I've cut them all the way to the crease right there. So I'm cutting all the way to the crease, and I'm going to take a minute to do that, and I'll come back. I'm going to flip it around, and I've got all the slits cut on this side, so now I'm going to cut slits on this side right up to the crease, and then I'll come back to you when I'm finished. All right, so now I have strips cut, and the first thing I'm going to do is glue it onto one side of my bridge. So I'm going to pull this top part of my bridge up, and I'm going to put some glue right here, because that's where the bottom of this goes. And now that I've cut these slits, see how this bends? So this is going to bend great for me. So this is the side of the bridge. I don't want to glue this up at the top like this, because then my marble could fall off the bridge. So I'm going to glue it further down so that I have this wall on the side to hold my marble in the bridge. So I'm going to put an arch of glue in the middle, and I'm going to take and glue this strip down. And I'm going to hold that there for a few minutes until the glue gets sticky. Now, I did not put glue on the tabs. The tabs are folded over. So I just put glue on the side, middle of the gray. So I'm going to hold this here for a few minutes, give the glue some time to get sticky, and then I'll come back. Okay, and the glue for the most part is sticky now, so now I'm going to put glue, actually no, I'm going to put glue on the inside of this arch so that I put it in the same spot. And then I'm going to flip this over. See how I have my tabs folded under? I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to try to match the gray pieces with the pink in between, because I want that bridge to be the same on both sides, the same thickness, same height. So I'm going to hold this down, give the glue a little bit time to get sticky. All right, and then just like with our ramp, we want this to kind of bend up. And we have these slits here, so it should bend up fairly okay for us. And then we have these gray tabs. So you would put glue on the bottom of these two gray tabs, and you would glue this down to your base, just like this. And then this would stick out. And I would cut this off, because then I would make my own walls, because this doesn't look very nice. So I would probably snip it right here and start my own walls. And then the same on this side. So I'm going to bend this up. I'm going to put glue on the gray tabs that go underneath. And I'm going to hold this down just like this. Give it some time to get sticky on my base. And then I would snip the pink off here as well. And then as long as I have good enough paper up here above, when my marble goes over, it shouldn't fall off the bridge, because I have these gray papers here, these gray walls, to hold that marble in its place. And that's how you create a bridge. And then I could do walls going up to this bridge, and then the marble could go under it. But that's how you create a bridge.